इंग्लिश स्पीच के लिए तशरीफ लाते हैं आपकी भरपूर तालियों में असामुल हक।
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear fellows. The topic assigned to me is the Independence Day. Honorable Chief Guest, as a Muslim, we have our own custom, values, and most importantly, our beliefs. As a nation, we have our own rules and regulations. Verily, we are living in a free atmosphere. We have opportunities to move on. Dear fellows, you are fortunate to have these opportunities. Do you know what you have in this free atmosphere is a great blessing? You will also understand that every blessing has a price. And this blessing that you are using has been paid for by our elders. And these blessings that we get with a free homeland are the results of the sacrifices of our ancestors. They worked hard day and night. They fought with cruel rulers with courage and bravery. Many of them became martyrs. Many sacrificed their lives. The only slogan on their tongue was, "We want freedom. We want freedom. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान." Whenever they asked, "What is Pakistan? What is meant by Pakistan?" they replied, "The meaning of Pakistan is, there is no God but Allah." All this fruit was from the tree that Allama Muhammad Iqbal planted. Allama Muhammad Iqbal presenting the concept of separate Islamic state in subcontinent. And the Muslims of the subcontinent made this concept a reality under the leadership of Qaadi-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Honorable Chief Guest, history is a good lesson. It reminds us of our true worth, dignity and strength. The history of the Muslim struggles under the United India is a clear testimony that every Muslim effort is a burning desire of a real independent state. All these sacrifices and struggles teach us how much our country Pakistan has value. 14th of August Day comes to remind us of our unmet and ignored commitments and responsibilities. We have massive responsibilities on our heads. We have a responsibility of our nation's development, progress, prosperity, and our peace. We have to stick to the point of integrity, discipline, unity, and faith. As our great God said, Pakistan is meant to stay forever here. None can undo it. Therefore, being a responsible future for my country, I commit to work hard, staying disciplined, loyal, sincere, and truthful, and obedient citizen of Pakistan. I will serve my compatriots with honor, dignity, sense of pride. Best of luck. Long live Pakistan.